YouTube, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am going to Comic-Con as of 2023. I'm going on 3 days, so I decided to do something I've never done before, and I bought cosplay from Sims Cosplay. For the past 2.5 years I've been cosplaying. I've only ever bought cosplays from Amazon or AliExpress, and I've been looking at their cosplays for a while, so I thought to myself, why not do something big for LA Comic-Con? So I bought 2 cosplays. They just came in the mail. I bought them on Halloween when I got paid, so it's been like 3 weeks, something like that. Whenever, I don't even know how long ago that was, but Comic-Con is in 2 weeks, so great timing. So let's just unbox it. First of all, let's talk about this big box they got. This bag. And I do want to say one thing that I did not like was that they give you like a tracking code or whatever, and I literally every day I would like click on it to make sure like, are they still making it? Because you can get your cosplays custom, like for like your sizing or whatever. I just did the general sizing because I was like lazy and I didn't feel like pulling out tape measure. Plus I think you have to pay a little extra for the custom sizing, and it does take a little longer. And I was in a rush because I was afraid it was not gonna show up on time, and I've been scared that it wasn't gonna show up on time because with the little tracking thing, I kept clicking it every day and it kept showing me the same little message. There's still, your order is still being processed, and that they were gonna send me another code to let me know when it was going to arrive, and that never happened. It just kept showing me. Even today, it was still showing me the same thing, that my order was being processed, so it was freaking me out. But anyways, let's open it up. And I'm a little freaked out because why is it packaged like this? I feel like I'm gonna end up cutting something I'm not supposed to cut. Okay, my A-Train cosplay. Mind you, I had to get a man's cosplay because obviously A-Train is a man and they did not have a women's option for this cosplay. So, stuff is falling out. Ooh, these are like the little arm sleeves. I'm gonna try all of this stuff on. These are like the little arm sleeves. Let me see. And I really hope and pray that this fits. I got a men's small because, like I said, they didn't make women's costumes. This is the right hand, because I'm like, why did my pinky just go through this little hole? So this fits perfectly. I'm so excited. I hope the rest fits like this because so those are the arm pieces. Ooh, these are the glasses. Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay, a little dirty, but nothing a little wipe can't clean off. Whoa, these are blue. These are super blue, like everything. Okay, first of all, the room right now is dark. I just have my ring light right here, and the room is pitch dark. Everything else that's light is ridiculously blue. I know that's gonna freak me out, but these glasses are so, I'm eating this up. I'm so excited. But yeah, like, I don't know if I can, like, do you see how blue that is? That's blue. Okay, they're dirty. We're gonna clean those off. And then his little belt. I like that this is an actual belt because I was gonna end up buying the cheaper version because they did have an A-Train cosplay on AliExpress, but it was like the printed one, and I was like, no, I wanted to have the chest piece. So right now it's looking like there's not an actual chest piece, but like in the photo there's literally like a plastic covering for the chest. So that's kind of a concern. This is my Black Widow. Ooh, these are like the little leg holsters. Why did I put it like that? Oh, so I can put my little gun. Cute. And I do have little guns, but I'm spray painting them because they're like not, they look like kids' toys, which they are because we don't use real weapons. What is this? Oh, this is her little belt buckle. Aw, that's kind of cute. I like that it's actually metal. Oh my gosh, there's so many harnesses. Yeah, there's a lot of harnesses. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, so I was afraid. I was like, what shoes am I gonna wear? I can literally wear like regular black shoes because this is the boot. This is the boot, so it's like a shoe cover. And I'm happy that they didn't make me pay extra for it because for the A-Train cosplay, they were gonna make me pay extra for the boot covers. And I was like, I don't need any boot covers. I'll just wear shoes. Like, anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Other boot? I don't remember having gloves, but cute. Other glove. Oh, these are like the knee pads and arm pads. Okay. There's so many different parts to this cosplay. It's crazy. And then this is like another belt for like weaponry, I guess. And then this is the suit itself. So far everything looks good except for the fact that there's not an actual chest plate, but let me try it on. Oh, okay. So this is the full outfit. Came with the belt, the gloves, the glasses, and the suit. Honestly, it's really good material. Looks nice. The only thing I'm just irritated, upset about is the chest part. Because I swear, like, if I go back and look at the photo, there's literally a chest piece that's like plastic. That's what I really, really wanted. But other than that, the suit is really nice. And I am excited. It's my Black Widow cosplay. Honestly, it's not what I thought it was gonna look like. I mean, don't get me wrong, looks nice. But these leg garters took a hot minute to put on. The only thing that I can't wear from it is the knee pads because I'm short, like I said, and the boot things come up to my knees, so it will look stupid with them on. And yeah, this little belt thing, I was confused because I thought this was going here, but it doesn't. But anyways, moving forward, I think once I'm like in hair and makeup with this little Bobbiana, it'll look cute, you know? So yeah. Okay, I forgot to record an outro, but I hope you guys like this video. Honestly, I'm not trying to like downplay the company or anything. I'm just trying to give my actual review because I'm not getting paid to do this or anything. But if they want to give me a little code or something, I would not be opposed. But looking forward to Comic-Con this weekend and going to be posting some get ready with me's for my cosplays. So get ready for that. All right, bye.